Okay, so I am going to show you how to make these little bows using a fork. So you're going to need a fork. I'm using 3mm ribbon in pink, ribbon shears, and a lighter. So you can either chop about 4 inches of ribbon, or you can leave it on the roll like I'm doing. If you're leaving it on the roll, you're going to want to leave about that much. Then you want to come over with this, make sure it doesn't twist. Just like that. Then this bit you feed through the middle. I'm actually going to turn the fork the other way around. Just like that. So you're going to feed this one through the middle. Sorry, this is hard through the camera. Pull it through the other side. Then you're going to want to come up and through the middle. Just pull it quite tight. And then you're going to want to tie a knot, which can be quite difficult. So it helps, I think, if you leave a longer end, because you have more to grip onto. So just pull it tight, and it helps if you pull it in the direction that you want the bow to fall. So just like that. So once you're there, just take your shears, make sure your sides are even, get your lighter, and just singe your edges to stop them from fraying. So it will look like that. Just going to pull that side a little bit more, and then just slide it off. And there you have your bow. Excuse my daughter. There you have your bow. And there we go, that's how you do it.